Hello everyone. Today I'll show you some material I got from factory and previews the topic of next tutorial. First of all, let's check the material. This. Do you know what? And this. And this. So that means I'm going to show you how to DIY the bouquet. But first of all, let's check the material from the factory. I will tell you my opinion. First, I think people can buy this bouquet holder, and there are some what's inside the green thing. After I touch this green thing, there's something drop off. The feeling not good. But anyway, we have to admit this very useful. This holder very useful for make the bouquet. Very simple. Just pick the flowers. And we need another item, the stem. We can supply different. Let's check this stem. This stem is 5 cm long, and we have some longer 8 cm. I don't have the sample on hand. And this is longest stem. For different condition you use. But by making this bouquet, using this short stem will be okay. If you want to know the price, you can link to my blog. I will paste the link on below this video on the information field. Okay, very simple. Just put the flower on the stem and put it in will be okay. And then put on. But the shortage of using this holder to make the bouquet is hard to make the shape, the round shape. That means if you want to make a round shape of the bouquet, using this material hard to make the round bouquet because we are not professional. And there's another shortage is you cannot make different size of the bouquet because the bride's bouquet will be much more larger than the bridesmaid bouquet. But using this holder cannot hard to make the different size. And the other shortage is, look at this. After we pull out the flowers, look at this. You can see the hole on it. That means if you try, because we are not professional, we need to try several times to make sure the color, the new plain may be white color, will go well with each other. So we need to try them several times. So if we try several times, by using this holder, the hole will become larger and larger, so it will not good for the not good to holding the flower well. But anyway, this is a very good material to make the bouquet. So for the following video, I will show you my own idea about making the bouquet with this material. This material, just this part of this holder. I don't want the green thing. Instead of the green thing, I will use our ball frame. I will show you in detail on my next video, but the concept is tie the ball here, so you can make different size of the bouquet, and you can make a very long round shape of the bouquet you want. The different size, so you can use this small size, make the small size like this for your bridesmaid, and using the larger balls to make the bride bouquet. Or if you want to larger, so you can pick different size of the ball to make different size of the bouquet. If the size is not large enough, you can use this one. And using our large ball frame. But I won't make the tutorial for this material because it's so large, so I don't think. But anyway, we have that material. I will show you another idea about using this largest material if I have any idea about using it. I think using this holder will be okay with the ball, different ball size. I will show you in very detail and show you the effect from different size. The advantage of this is you can make different size, and you can make a round string of bouquet, and you just put the flower on it will be okay. So you can try many times. Oh, it's hot. You can try many times. If you're not satisfied to this color, to go with this color, you can put it out and try again. So the hole there won't be any hole to become larger and larger, and finally cannot hold the flower steady. I will show you idea. And there's another material from the factory, is this one. After we put on this holder, we will got the thing like this, and we have this type. I mean this type and this type and this chiffon, no, setting, I don't know, and this type and this type. The difference is look at this. This type will be suitable for small bouquet because there's no the support. This one, the support will be larger than this one. So of course the size are different. Look at this. The size are larger. the skirt size will be much more large, a little bit larger. So if you make a small size bouquet using this will be okay. What is it called? I don't know. But if you want to make a larger bouquet, using this larger skirt will be okay. I call it skirt. And if you want to add some ribbon to make the skirt much larger, using this type will help to support the ribbon. Okay, but this one is a little more small, cannot support the ribbon. Okay, and if there are no supports, the skirt will be a little drop. If you're using the large bouquet, not much suitable. But this one can well support a little bit more of the skirt. So this type will be much more suitable for larger bouquet. Of course, the style will be different. And I will show you the effect about using on different. I will show you the effect by putting on the bouquet to show you the defect for the next video. Okay, this is today's introduction. Thank you for your watching. If you want to know the detail about making the bouquet with our flowers, you can wait our next tutorial, but please do not skip the advertisement. And if you want to buy all the material, you can link to my blog for the price. I will place the link on below of this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching.